Dear students, this question asked in EAMCET 2004. Question is, which of the following pair of ions have same paramagnetic moment? Options: Cu2 plus Ti3 plus, Mn2 plus Cu2 plus, Ti4 plus Cu2 plus, Ti3 plus Ni2 plus. So these are the four options they given. Question is, we have to find out which pairs have same paramagnetic moment. So on this magnetic moment I did one video. You have to see that video. I will give link in the description. Here paramagnetic moment. So substances are divided into mainly three types: diamagnetic substances, paramagnetic substances, ferromagnetic substances. Other two types also is there, that is anti-ferromagnetic substances and ferrimagnetic. So mainly these three: dia, para, ferro. Diamagnetic substances are nothing but the substances are repelled by the magnetic field, so which are having no unpaired electrons, so zero unpaired electrons. That substances are repelled by the magnetic field. Paramagnetic substances, at least one unpaired electron is present in the valence shell. That substances are act as a paramagnetic. Paramagnetic substances are weakly attracted by the magnetic field. Weakly attracted. So here we will find out which is paramagnetic. So first option is containing Cu2 plus Ti3 plus. So see here, copper atomic number 29, electronic configuration argon 3d10 4s1. So the given Cu2 plus, that means two electrons are removed from the valence shell. So two electrons are removed, one electron removed from the 4s1 and another electron is removed from the 3d10. So that will become 3d9 4s0. So 3d9, we will see the electrons, how they are arranged in the d orbital. So like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here 8 electrons are paired and 1 electron is unpaired. In titanium atomic number 22, electronic configuration argon 3d2 4s2. So here they given Ti3 plus, so 3 electrons are removed. So in that 3 electrons, 2 electrons are from s orbital and 1 electron is from 3d. So 3d2 will become 3d1, 4s will become 4s2 will become 4s0. So here one unpaired electron is present in the 3d. So here one unpaired electron is there, here one unpaired electron is there. So these two substances are exhibit paramagnetic substances, paramagnetism. So these two elements, copper 2 plus ion and Ti3 plus ions, are paramagnetic. So option A is the correct answer, but our safe side we will check other options also. Option B, Mn2 plus. Mn2 plus atomic number 25, electronic configuration argon 3d5 4s2. So Mn2 plus they given, so 2 electrons are removed from the 4s, so 4s2 will become 4s0 and 3d5 electrons, all 5 are unpaired here. Okay, unpaired electrons are there, so definitely it is attracted by the magnetic field. So Cu2 plus, already we see here Cu2 plus have one unpaired electron. So this is paramagnetic, Cu2 plus, but Mn2 plus is not paramagnetic because 5 unpaired electrons are there. So unpaired electrons are 5. We will see the magnetic moment, it will become 5.91. 5.91. How I said 5.91 directly? By using 5 unpaired electrons. We did previous video on that. You have to see the previous video. Easily you have to find out the magnetic moment. So we have formula root over n into n plus 2. In that formula n is equal to unpaired electrons. So by seeing unpaired electrons directly we will calculate the magnetic moment. So magnetic moment is maximum here. So it is strongly attracted, so it will become ferromagnetic, not paramagnetic. So paramagnetic is weakly attracted. So option B is not a correct answer. Next, option C. Options are Ti4 plus Cu2 plus, titanium 4 plus Cu2 plus. So Cu2 plus already we did now, that is containing one unpaired electron. So now we will check Ti4 plus, maybe it is containing one unpaired electron or some other. So see here, Ti4 plus, titanium atomic number 22, electronic configuration argon 3d2 4s2. So Ti4 plus they given, 4 plus means 4 unpaired electrons are removed from here. So it will become 3d0 4s0. So magnetic moment is 0 here. So here new value 0, not a correct answer. Next, option D. Option D, Ti3 plus Ni2 plus they given. So Ti3 plus 3d1 4s0. Ti3 plus. Now see here, titanium 3d2 4s2 electronic configuration, right? So 3 electrons are removed from here. That's why 3d2 4s2 will become 3d1. So one unpaired electron is there. Okay, it is maybe answer. Now Ni2 plus. So Ni2 plus atomic number, Ni, nickel atomic number 28, electronic configuration argon 3d8 4s2, Ni2 plus they given in the option. So Ni2 plus means 2 electrons are removed from the 4s. So 4s2 will become 4s0, 3d8 3d8 only. So 2 unpaired electrons are there. 2 unpaired electrons. So here 1 unpaired electron is there, but here 2 unpaired electrons are there. So it will become para, but it is not para. So electrons are maximum, right? So here new value maximum. So this is not a correct option. So now here option A is the correct answer. So Cu2 plus Ti3 plus.